Today we are showing you about our 1967 to 69 Camaro Firebird LED license plate assemblies. As you can see, this is what your stock assembly looks like. It will not fit a new LED bulb. There's not enough room in there. It hits the top of the lens. So for the first gens, it's best to just replace the whole assembly. Here is what the new first gen Camaro assembly looks like. As you can see, the LED is already in there. We include new hardware, and we reuse the grommet and the connector. So this is what it'll look like when it comes to you. On the Firebird and Camaro assemblies, the spacing between the mounting holes is different. So they look similar, but they are a little bit different, as you can see here. So this one is for the Firebird, and it has the LED in there as well. Also includes new hardware. So this is how it comes to you, all put together, and it just plugs into your factory wiring. Here is the license plate assembly on a first gen Firebird. I don't know if y'all can see that. It is also available for the first gen Camaros. And then you can see what it looks like when it's dark. Alright y'all, that is it for today. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Hit the little bell icon at the top so you get notified every time we post a new video. And y'all have a great day.